Hello, this is Alexander Cross, Criminal Defense here in the San Francisco Bay Area. If you'd like to learn more about criminal defense, be sure to subscribe to our channel, Law Offices of Cross and Associates, and be sure to ask questions in the comment section below. So we received an interesting inquiry here on our YouTube channel. This has to do with sexual exploitation of minors. Sex crime attorney, Fairfield. Criminal attorney, Fairfield. Attorney, Fairfield. Let's see here. Some female friends told me they wanted to make extra money and wanted me to guard them while they had sex with them on the street. One day, the police seized two of them and they denounced me that I exploited them sexually. Well, I guess this is a situation where I think the girls probably panicked and then they accused you so they could wipe their wipe their hands clean. But this is horrific because there are two charges that are just coming to mind. One of them is pimping, which would be a violation of Penal Code Section 266H B1. It's a felony that carries up to 6 years in state prison. So if you're putting out these girls and you're paying them a percentage, you're keeping the bulk of the money, and you're the protection, well, then that would be pimping under California state law. Now, the other charge that concerns me is human trafficking. For instance, if they say that you are keeping these girls in a place where they have no means of escape, and you're doing this specifically for exploiting them sexually, well, that's a violation of Penal Code Section 236.1 parentheses B. That's far more serious. That carries up to 20 years in state prison. In both offenses, both the pimping and the human trafficking, they both carry lifetime sex registration under Penal Code Section 290. In this situation, text messages are going to help a lot. Fortunately, these girls are somewhat young. We're talking about girls that are about 17, 18 years old. I'm pretty sure that if the girls asked you, hey, do you mind doing this for us or that for us, there might be some phone calls or text messages or things indicating that this is their idea, that this was their idea. Because if you're not the one who's putting them out, well, then you're not pimping them. And if you're not the one who's holding them hostage, essentially, for sexual purposes, well, then you're not doing human trafficking. The worst that you could probably get charged with, if all the evidence comes out that you legitimately were not pimping them out and that you were not trafficking them, the main charge that you could be hit with would be conspiracy to solicit prostitution. That's probably the worst that they could go with in that situation. But text messages, phone calls, phone records, all of that will help you dramatically. It will help dramatically, especially for the human trafficking aspect, because for the human trafficking aspect, it's very rare that you're going to be texting and calling them, because usually when it's human trafficking, you have them essentially captured. Regardless, if you'd like to learn more about criminal defense here in the San Francisco Bay Area, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Law Offices of Cross and Associates, and be sure to ask questions in the comment section of the video. But if you've been accused of a crime and need representation in court here in the San Francisco Bay Area, call us 1-800-862-7677. On our next video, we're going to be discussing the case of somebody who was unjustly accused of raping his wife. Criminal attorney, Fairfield. Sexual exploitation, Fairfield. Prostitution, Fairfield.